The first China-Zambia investment forum opened Wednesday in Lusaka, Zambia, with the two countries pledging to deepen trade and investment relations. More than 300 Chinese and Zambian companies are participating in the two-day event, with another 90 participating online.
The two countries will actively increase trade and investment, tighten our practical cooperation, and never forget to uphold international fairness and justice, the UN Charter, the unity of developing countries, and shared support for each other's core interests, and make the all-weather friendship more strategic.
This increase in the first half of 2022 has culminated in us having a substantial trade balance or surplus in favor of Zambia in the first half of 2022. As such, we in Zambia shall continue to deepen our trade and investment cooperation with China by enhancing exports in many sectors.
The two countries also signed an agreement on duty-free treatment for Zambian products corresponding to 98% of tariff lines.